In this video, I will explain whether Temu's free gift offers are actually legit. Temu often promotes free gifts if you invite friends or complete certain tasks. Some users do report receiving items after meeting all the requirements, so the offers are not completely fake. However, many people say the progress bar gets stuck, referrals don't always count, or the terms keep changing, making it very difficult to actually claim a gift. Even when users succeed, the quality of the items may not match what was advertised. The truth is, Temu's free gift program is more of a marketing tool, designed to get more people to download the app than a reliable way to get valuable products for free. So while it can work, the chances of actually receiving a gift are quite low, and the effort may not be worth it. If you want to try, always read the terms carefully, make sure your referrals qualify as new users, and set realistic expectations. Otherwise, you may end up wasting time for very little reward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.